John, you know what I want to do? You know what I want to do right now?
Well, Bill, I know there's a multitude of things you'd like to do, but what's the thing you'd really like to do?
I want to strut.
Here's the question, though. Let's try this time. River!
Yeah?
Oh, there we go. How you doing?
Good. How you doing?
Now, River, you're not in school, are you?
No, I'm not.
All right. Well, where are you?
I'm at home at my house,
River, can I ask you a question?
being very sick. Yes.
Are you a sober-only single?
Am I a what?
A sober-only single?
If she is,
No,
John,
I don't
tell her
think
the number
so.
to call.
You're not a sober-only single?
I'm not sure. What is that?
Well, if you are a sober-only single, give us a call here. We'll give you a number for,
If you know any sober
if you know any
call me.
sober-only singles.
Will you tell me what they are?
Well, sober-only singles they're singles who actually are sober most of the time.
Only want sober mates.
Only want sober mates, or as Heather put it, love slaves.
Oh. Well,
You
will
got
you
me?
give me an example of one of those people?
Well, a sober-only single would be somebody like Cassius Clay.
I don't know who that is either.
No?
So
Okay, Riv.
I'm totally uneducated. I apologize.
All right, no problem, Riv. So listen, we gotta get off here though. So thanks for giving us a call.
Sure thing.
And what's your favorite place for New True 70s?
My favorite place for New True 70s is WNTH 88.1. Pretty good, huh?
I love you, Riv.
See ya.